Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let the noise of the market fade away for a moment. This is your time to reset. Feel your body sitting here, your feet grounded on the floor, your shoulders heavy and relaxed. You are safe. You are here. The market is outside, but your mind is within your control. Today, we focus on something every trader knows. That moment after a loss, the frustration, the urge to make it back, the voice inside that says, "I'll get my money back on the next trade." But you and I both know that is not trading. That is revenge. And revenge never serves you. Close your eyes for a moment. See yourself looking at your trading screen. There's a loss in front of you. The number is red. It feels heavy. Now, imagine taking that red number and placing it into a box. Close the lid, lock it, push it gently to the side. It is not you, does not define you. It is just one trade, one of many. Repeat after me in your mind. I am more than one trade. I let go of what I cannot control. I protect my energy, my mind, and my future. Every loss is part of my journey toward mastery. You are not here to fight the market. You are here to flow with it. Your strength is not in forcing outcomes, but in waiting for the right setup and having the patience to act with discipline. Take one more deep breath. Inhale strength. Exhale regret. When you return to the screen, you are not the man chasing losses. You are the man who trades with clarity, with patience, and with a plan. Open your eyes, return with focus, and remember, your next trade is always a fresh beginning. Breathe in discipline. Breathe out fear. You are ready. This session is finished, and your next trade begins with clarity.